Okay, as you can see here, this is a follow-up on today's trade. I was calling for a return back into here. We actually dropped a stop loss down below this because I saw this fair value gap was still open inside that fair value gap inversion side there. So we were looking to try and get back to that once we get on top of it. But once we get into this fair value gap here, we come back tagged it, which is exactly where we're kind of calling for. I got in a little early on mine. And then we're looking for more upside. So here's the upside objective still. We broke this high here that warranted my moving my stop loss to at least break even. We came back, filled this fair value gap, so I got into the bottom of that there. So if I do take a loss, it'll be a small gain from here to here. And we're still aiming for that upside objective, which is the weekly new week opening gap above us. So if we continue to grow step by step on top of each one of these order blocks, that's our objective there. So far we're $600 up, and the trade is panning out. Zero stress now because we've got our stop loss above our thing, so we'll still make some money. Trade worked out nice. It was a good day for the 2022 Michael's 2022 model for breaker below a order block, or a slight break in market structure, a breaker inside of a fair value gap. That one's the load up to get short on these areas here. That was a classic, really good trade for today. And here's our second one. So we're looking for this breakout above a consolidation, return to top of the consolidation inside of a fair value gap, a breaker again, last down close candle before right about an old high. So this is the reversal of the same thing you saw up here. Down close candle, we broke above fair value gap, come back into it, tag it nicely here, and then continue it to the upside. So that's the trade, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.